it's Femi from Femi S here. So in this video, we will talk about what is the most realistic lace front wig. Okay, so when it comes to a lace front wig looking the most realistic or the most natural, there are a few factors to consider. The most important factor you will want to consider is the actual lace. Now, if you see me look down here, I'm just looking at my notes because I want to make sure I give you all the information that you deserve. If you want the most realistic wig or the most natural looking lace front wig, I would recommend that you get a lace front wig with HD lace. Now, the reason why you want HD lace is that when HD lace is applied to the scalp, it looks invisible. So HD lace actually looks good on all skin tones. Yes, on all skin tones. You don't have to do any type of blending, like it will blend in with your skin. And HD lace, also considered royal lace, also how your wig fits will make your wig look a lot more natural. So currently, according to stats, 90% of people who actually wear wigs are a medium size. So a medium size wig, according to my notes, is 2.25 to 22.5 inches. So, and when I say size, I mean the size of the actual parameter of your head. When it comes to buying a wig, I would recommend, if you're not sure the size of your head, to go with the medium. Now, if your head seems like it's usually smaller than other people or bigger than other people, then you might want to size your head, get a measuring tape, size your head, and check the size. I have that petite is 20 to 21.25 inches. Large is 22.5 to 24 inches. So when I say size, I'm gonna just use my headphones because that's what I have closest to me. You will take a measuring tape, you will put it here without the wig on, of course, and you will measure literally the perimeter of your head. I'll try and make sure that I have like an actual diagram showing up on this side of the video so you can see what I mean. So make sure the wig fits snug, okay? Because if it fits to your head, then it can look the most realistic and the most natural. If you're but you don't want it too tight. You don't want to get, let's say you don't want to get a small and you're a medium size, because you don't want to get headaches, number one, and you don't want the wig to start pushing back because it's just so tight it's going to start sliding back. So make sure, if you want the most realistic lace front wig, make sure you get a size wig that is right for your head. Also think about how your wig is being installed and who is installing it. Now, if you are, if you have experience installing your own wig, then definitely go right ahead, install your own wig. But if you feel like it's just not looking as realistic as you want it to, then I would recommend actually going to a professional stylist and having them install your wig for you. Another thing that you should really consider if you want your wig to look as realistic as possible, think about the products that are being used to install your wig. Now, from my personal experience, certain products will cake up and it'll get white and you can literally just see it around the perimeter, and it just looks really tacky. So for instance, everyone currently loves to use Got2b spray and Got2b gel. I don't really like using Got2b gel because it just left a lot of residue and it just left a lot of buildup, and it just made it looked obvious that, okay, she has on a wig, a lace front wig. So, but the spray isn't as bad. The spray dries clear. And right now I love using Eben spray. The Eben spray also dries clear. So make sure any type of glue that you use, or spray or gel, that it doesn't lead to any buildup around where you will apply your lace. And last but not least, this is extremely important. If you want your lace front wig to look as natural as possible, I recommend plucking the hairline. Now, plucking the hairline can take a lot of time. Also, it takes a lot of practice. And from my personal experience, you want to take your time. I have overplucked a few wigs in the past where it looked like I literally had bald spots like around my head. So You want to, so it's better to under pluck instead of over pluck, because once you pluck those strands, it's done. I mean, unless you can actually, you're going to take the time to reinstall and knot the strands back in the lace. If you're not going to do that, then definitely take your time, but plucking will definitely give you a more realistic and natural look with your lace front wigs. So definitely take all those tips into consideration. If you are looking for the most realistic lace front wig, make sure the lace front wig, it has HD lace. Make sure the lace front wig fits your head. Currently on Femi S here, we sell our wigs at medium size, because that is what 90% of people who buy wigs, that's the size of their head. And make sure that hairline is pre-plucked, okay? So I really hope these tips help. If you like this video, if you like these tips, please subscribe and like the channel. And also, currently right now on my head, I have in the deep wave 20-inch, this is 130% density lace front wig from the Femi S Hair collection. If you're interested in this here, I'll have a link above my head of this right here if you want to check it out, and I'll have a link in the description box. Okay, so again, this is Femi from Femi S here, and I will see you in the next video very, very soon.